morning guys! Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, magka-cardio tayo. Siguro mga 5 minutes, okay? Matagal-tagal din tayo hindi nakapag-workout. Gagawin din natin ng handstand push-up. So gusto kong magawa yun pero ngayon gagawin natin yun. And then push-up din tayo, okay? So lakad muna tayo sa una.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
Po ano, so tapos na ang ating cardio. Next na gagawin naman natin is push-ups. Yung may support pa tayo sa likod. Bali sasandal tayo sa may wall or sa may pader para hindi tayo gaano mahirapan. Okay, so ito siya, papakita ko sa inyo.